Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy hump day to you. Happy Wednesday. Another day in the market. Got another green day. Market moving forward. Interest rate cuts next Wednesday. Hopefully we get to 50 points, which is a 0.5%. But everybody, I guess they pricing in at 25 points. If we don't get no cut, then the market will come down. So y'all just know that. Y'all subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Let's get to it. Urgent buys, urgent sales. Got one for you, man. Took a SBLK. I took my money and ran. Starbucks, probably still, people got this as a 87% hold. Well, buy. And hold, I took my money and ran. Straight at $20.54 now. I got an average cost of 1504. I'm gonna hold it just in case it comes back down that little bit. I might sell that little share and get out of it. But the thing was, they had, as you can see, 1 hour ago. Not right there. Anyway, they had a decline in earnings from what I read, but they increased the dividend. They was paying 5 cents a share dividend. I'm gonna take you to it. Let me do this first. Let me show you the sale that I made. I sold 105 shares at $20.54, $2,156.70. Let me take you to the dividend history. Anyway, I'm going to just tell you, man, they pay 5 cents a share every quarter. They increased their dividend to 11 cents a share, and they said they had declining earnings. I didn't go into the earnings statement. But anyway, made the stock go up. Hit a new 52-week high of 2087. I took my money and ran. So that's what I did there. The dividend just wasn't, I mean, they was paying before, say around about 2020, 2021, 2022, this paid a major double-digit dividend. Times got hard when COVID hit. This is a marine dry bulk shipping company. Marine, they ship stuff on the ocean. It went down. Stock went down a lot. They've been battling selling ships. They've been selling stuff, trying to operate lean and reinvest back into the company. But like I say, I'm gonna show you this here. They got this as an 87.5% buy and a 12.5% hold. I'm gonna show you another stock that I brought with it that I'm holding on to, which is another marine dry bulk shipping company, which is CMB.Tech. CMBT. It's at 11.19. I got 56 shares at 7.57. I'm up 47.89%. This is an ocean transportation and storage crude oil. That's what they do. I'm sorry. This another one I was buying with it. This company brought I forgot the last ticker number it was, but anyway, another company brought it out. But this is what it is now. This one I'm holding on to for now. Thinking about selling that and getting out of it and getting me some weekly income coming in, but that was that. Another one was SVOL. That's why I tell y'all how important it is to have your buy limit order set. SVOL came down to 16.22 today. As you can see today, as you look, it goes down and come back up and then goes across. Today's low $16.20 with a high of $17.60. I don't know what happened. I think somebody must try to put a buy limit order in at $16.20, end up hitting sell, and they must have sold a big well, because it went down. I did get 25 shares off it. Just to show you this, I got 25 shares at 2:36 a.m. when it dipped. That's in the 24-hour market. That's why having Robinhood is important, because you can trade 24 hours with some stocks in the 24-hour market. So I bought 25 shares, 16.22 is triggered. I went back, set some buy limit orders, being that I sold SBLK. I put some more buy limit orders. I put them in at 16.40 for this stock. I put them in at 16.25 for 25 shares. 16.30 for 5 shares, and I just got them there sitting. 16.25, 16.22 again for 25 shares. What else? I want to say that's about it. I got RC on my list. Had a notification. Be giving y'all this one. This one up along with other stocks too. So just gonna watch everything run on up, man. But let's go in and get through our trade for the day. That was S-Buck we did. IWMY, you know, this pays out weekly. Options on the Russell 2000. Went in and got $5 worth for this today. I'm gonna get another 3 while I'm right here online with y'all. You know, this pay out weekly. Got an 80% dividend yield. The Russell 2000 is a little more volatile than the NASDAQ 100 and the S&P 500. Another thing to notify you, ULTY is paying 58 cents a share for this week. And I was telling y'all, most ETFs I've seen, when they do a reverse stock split, they perform actually better. But I think you can only buy a full share, or they let you buy fractional shares now. I know they didn't on the other day on December 1st, I was trying to buy a fractional share of I think it was TSLY. I was just looking. And also I noticed all of these, ever since the reverse stock split, they are noting the YieldMax ETFs that have split are no longer 24 hour. You can't trade them no more than 24 hour market. Unless they change things. They cut it off now at 8 o'clock in the post market, which is good. The benefits of that is over on the ex-dividend date. Overnight, you can't do it always have a sell off called, people said it loses its NAV. They always sell off overnight in the 24-hour market after the date, actually the day of the ex-dividend date. So now they can't do the major sell off. So everything should hold up well, and you should see your dividends start to increase every week. All right, got that out the way. PSEC. Let's go right here. Prospect Capital. I think this is about to squeeze. Down to 262 today. I've been buying 5 to 25 shares. Waiting on this to squeeze. I already got this put position here where I want it. It's at 280. So I'm ready to ride on out. But I'm gonna still continue to buy here as long as it's here. Not gonna load up. Just to lower the average cost. We did SVOL, AMLP, the MLP ETF. But it got some more of this here. 8.75% yield. I buy $5 a day of this on the days when it's not down. I got it in my Cash App portfolio. SRLN going at 41.16. I brought some at market price 41.20. Monthly 7.15% yield. DISO Disney was down today, so definitely gonna get some of this. Gotta say, not loading up on nothing. This also pays out weekly. Now this one here, being that it didn't do a reverse stock split, you could trade this one 24 hours still. Well, DISO you never could. Probably you can't trade. Only ones you could probably do is YMAX, YMAG, and those ones. But I know the ones that split you can't. Last night I just went in to check to see if they was 24 hours and they wasn't. OXSQ 3.5 cents a share a month, going in at 182. Going to get my 5 shares of this. Waiting on this one here. If it was to pull back, this one here should have been squeezed past the $2 mark. Got up to about 190 something and came back down. But going to continue definitely to buy that. Cash flow, MED, Medifast. Waiting on this one here to squeeze. Y'all stay out of this play here. It's a great price to get in. It's volatile. There's a now NFLY options on Netflix. Netflix down to 102.03 today. Gonna go get some of this. This also pays out weekly. HPP. Us Pacific had a reverse stock split. Go in and get some of this here to lower that average cost. When this squeeze, I'm going to get out. Like I say, I liked it better before it split it because I knew the pattern of it. A lot of people panic trade after a stock split. GIS, General Mills. Gonna go get some more of this for the dividend play. 5.14%. I'm gonna get out of this stock too. A lot of kids are obese in the United States because of this processed food company. Also, with all the sugar that's in these cereals and the oatmeals, and like, they ain't nothing but full of sugar. So me being that's the case, I don't like it for that reason. And I think when everybody start to get health conscious, that's gonna be one stock that's gonna suffer. Just like Kraft Foods is, I'm getting out of all those food stocks. I'm getting out of it. Anything dealing with processed foods, I'm out. NFLX, Netflix. Y'all go get y'all some of this. Get down to 103.28. And another one, USFR. I'm $10 a day in this. This is like a bond ETF, I call it. As you look at the 52-week low and the high, 52-week low is 50.23 with a high 50.50. Got a 4.3% dividend yield, and it pays out every month. You can't lose no money here. This is for safety. If you got $100,000 sitting and you not getting a good return in your bank account, put it all here. And just live off the dividends. If you need money, you can sell it because you're not gonna take a loss. It's always gonna go right now. It's trade between, from what I've seen, 50-25 and 50-30. Some weeks it's 50-25, and like this week it was 50-29, 50-30. It'd be like that. So, and that's it, man. We can go check our traps. Like I said, everything green. Videos usually be short, 11 minutes in, but I was just doing some explaining, showing y'all a couple things. Took a DOC 1739, so we do have some stuff I can still buy. Like I was telling y'all, like now all those yield maxes, I just go put them in other places now. The 17, what this is, 1663 is the low, so we're going a 6.68% yield. Let's see, HIW is another REIT, 2713. That's all right. We're about to average on down. HIW. Like I say, the REIT sector gonna still struggle till they come down. National Healthcare Investors. This is a dividend play. 4.63% yield. High of 80.56. What that is? 4.63. PE ratio is a 24. I'm about to put a sell order in. I already got the sell order in. See, already there, 82.32. Which the 52-week high just changed. It's 80.56. That's why I was telling y'all, she's 80.56. When I put this order in, October 13th, it was 82.32. As time goes, them 52-week lows will come on down. 52-week highs will come on down. Anyway, leave that there for now. NHI, come back to that. Let me get through this trade. NHI sell. Look at gain, pay out every month, $13.89 at $13.14. We're good here. CDP, $29.85. I am at $23.44. 3.97% yield. CDP sell, CDP sell. Alright, go right there. Granite Point Mortgage, see what this doing, 282. I'm at 220. 52-week high is 349. Waiting on that to squeeze. Domain, I know I'm good. LTC, 35. I'm at 32. I'm up. That pay out every month. I'm good there. Comcast still up. Play I made yesterday. Mason's Group. Brandywine. Go get some of this. And we're looking 530. 333. I'm going to go 331. Brandywine, BDN, lowering my average cost. When this thing decides to take off, I'll be ready. I'm at 443. CACT, know we was getting this one. This one like it's trying to come up, not gonna bother it. AQN, I was up in this one. Well, I got the sell order in at 648. Gonna get rid of this one, be done with that. Let that go in and dump that one. Got Vici was in my buy range yesterday. Definitely gonna take advantage of this one. This would be a nice swing trade. Put that on the list. Vici. Tellus is another one to get. Waiting on this one to dip. Gonna buy this on the red days. Put this on here just to monitor it. It's Canadian Communication Company, Bank of Nova Scotia. Lionel Basel, 4708. I'm at 50. Really don't need to be buying it. Need to buy this at 45 and under. Sabre Healthcare, we good. Postal, PSTL, 1526. I'm at 1507, so we good. Healthcare REIT, 1786, 1633. We good there. SLVO, NLY is definitely one I need to be coming down in. GSBD, all those I'm good. Got some DISO 1573. I'm going to buy a little bit of that while I'm there. XOMO, wait on that on the green day. Got NFLY, AGGH bond, pay out every week. We good right there. BTCC had a good day yesterday. 1464 at NVDY. And going NVDY, Nvidia's gonna do $2 to $3 a day there. Ain't gonna load up on nothing till that go back and squeeze. Wendy's love and hate stock, waiting on that to squeeze. Once it squeeze, I'm out. Need to go back past about 936. That's like my sweet spot on that one. YMAX, remember I've been buying all this. This holding up well. Haven't brought any of this in a couple weeks. Got some buy limit orders in, but that's it. PYPY, I think they're going to split too. Not really worrying about this right now. Need to buy this weekly though. 863, 52 low, 856. This losing NAV though, 842. I'm going to monitor that, but just put that money into other plays. I like IWMY. That's where I'm going at right now, buying every day. 2168 DEA. Put that on my list. There's always a bear market somewhere, man. Sorry, y'all. AIPI, 4120. I'm at 4176. $2 worth of that. That pay out every week. Build up this weekly cash flow. GMRE, got Bull. Brought some of this yesterday. It's Global Medical REIT. So BTCC, all that's good. Let's look at YBIT. See how that's holding up since the split. The day is green. Let me see if I want to buy $1. Can I buy a fractional share? Yep, it'll let you. Okay, cool. So we can start doing that. Got HPP. Fiat down. Had it splits at 25.45 now. Let's see if I want to get $1, see what'll happen. Yep, it'll let me. So you can go buy fractional shares. That's it for the day. Signing off. Enjoy your day. Go get your money.